Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity. Welcome to another week's worth of videos. Today is Wednesday. It is raining outside. It has been horrible weather for the last 2 days. I just did a whole tough week working over in Dallas, and today is a special day because I have a special guest who is hanging out for a week, and he should be pulling up any moment with a trailer full of with a ruckus and a Grom. Anyways, he'll be here in just a second. Now, and here is this week's special guest. Can anyone guess who this person is? Dun, da, da, da. Does this ruckus and this Grom look familiar to anyone? All right, here we go. Yay, look! It's Pokedbytoast, aka Puck, aka Aaron, with his awesome, okay, can't do this, with his awesome Grom and the Rusty Ruck. What is the name of your ruck? Rat Ruck. Da, 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 da. This thing was stolen for a little while, so it has a checkered history right now. Da, 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 da. Yeah, awesome! So we're gonna go ahead and unload his bikes off of his trailer so they don't get super wet, and then maybe possibly go for a ride.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, see, he said fine. Awesome. Alright, so we got everything off the trailer, and we're going to go ahead and ride out on this Grom, and I'm going to take the KPR 200 since the KP Mini doesn't have registration. I mean, inspection right now, and there's a plane flying over my head again. Tomorrow we'll save that for, I'll ride the ruckus when we go to the Northwest Houston Mini Moto Meet and enjoy that. So we'll go ahead and ride around, and let me switch to the GoPro. Da-da-da. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of a ride around town, just for a little bit. It's a little bit sprinkly. Is it a little sprinkly for you? You gonna be okay? Huh? Yeah, it's cool outside. And what's nice about sprinklies is sometimes it keeps your arms cool. So since I can't find my gloves, I'm gonna wear these winter gloves. Ruckus gloves for Rustina. The Rustina, I like it. And I can't drive my car with a Volkswagen key, so put that back here. It's fucking rock and roll. What? Alright, so we're getting out. Waiting for Pokedbytoast. Come on, let's go Pokedbytoast. Yeah, it's neat. We get to ride with someone that's not from Houston and show him some of our super flat roads over here. Hopefully we'll get a ruck ride soon, but you know, his battery died, so we have to go ahead and give it a good charge. Look at it, it's all green with an LED strip on the back, stunted. I'm just grabbing your bike. It has a, oh shoot. We missed the green light. We'll let him ride in front of me since he doesn't know where he's going. Alright, anyways, so he wants to look around and did you skid? That's the best part about riding the KP Mini, is you can skid like you're like a kid on a BMX again. You'll see a lot of that when we do the group ride tomorrow. Skidding everywhere.
In the litany of pain, anti-risk, live on my belt, it's louder than that chain. And I don't see how you carry out without a pulse to breathe, and enjoy the calm before it starts to blood. So let's die out and see us live the way.
You wanna go to like Walmart or Target? Okay, which one? Walmart. Let's go to Walmart. It's a little bit of freeway, but we'll get there. Turn right. So, Pokedbytoast needs some sunglasses because he doesn't like to ride with his helmet lid down. It makes him feel claustrophobic, which is the case for a lot of people. That's why they wear those motocross ones with the visors that you put on over your head. What's up? Ah, he got done. He got me. You're like the third person who's ever done that. I'm always pretty protective about it. That didn't sound good.
You go under, like underpass or something?
Yeah, always. Always.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah. It's all deep. Echoing everywhere, just like when I go to the parking garage at work. Yeah.
Oh, if you smell something, it's my silicone on my exhaust.
Okay.
You smell something burning, it's this.
Okay, it's not fire burning though. Okay.
No, it's just that wrap.
Cool. Because fire burning is bad. With your buddies in the rain, What I was trying to say earlier is he wants to wear sunglasses instead of his visor on his helmet. It makes him feel claustrophobic. I personally love it, wearing a visor on my helmet, so I never even changed into 6th gear. Oops. My bad. Maybe I should ride his Grom and then he should ride this bag. As close to the front as I possibly can is where I always park. If I could park inside that area right there, I would. Wait, I need to get out of the yellow lines. There you go. Just in case the cop wants to be a jerk about it.
You should be like Maceface and just wear your helmet everywhere.
Huh?
You should be like Maceface and just wear your helmet everywhere.
I wish. What's his name? Mantooth did that. And then Walmart security like stopped them. Why are you wearing your helmet?
I don't want you looking at my ugly face.
Reveal. Da, 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 da. All right, we're going into Walmart. We'll be right back with some cool sunglasses. Walmart is awesome.
It's so clean.
Yeah.
No, this one is. Ours is horrible.
They're all, well, there's some that are not like this.
I live on the west side of Fort Worth, and yeah, it sucks really bad.
See, look, you can get cool Mickey Mouse shirts and roses.
Let's just go to sporting goods. Yeah, sporting goods.
No, there's sunglasses over here.
No, that's food.
By the jewelry.
Back there.
There's sunglasses by the jewelry.
That's like, if I want a Mickey Mouse song.
Ew, a bug died on here. A bug died on the GoPro. Sorry, guys.
Do you know how to cook well?
I can cook.
Can you grill?
I can't grill because I don't have a grill anymore.
Let's pick you up.
I'll take that one.
Well, let's pick you up a grill.
We'll pick up a grill later this week.
Yes.
We could do it Friday. I get paid. And a cooler.
Grill.
And some. I need a sippy cup.
I need a cup more for my grill.
This is my favorite sippy cup.
You're racist.
I'm a radiation Pacific Islander. The Germans.
That should be your hero.
The Germans are exotic to me. All right, guys, here are the sunglasses.
Okay, so put in the comments below, what do you think would look better on me? The shooting glasses style?
Shooting glasses. You can barely see them through here.
All right, here, I'll do this.
Wait. A. Look like a country hitman.
Where's my gun?
Yeah. Or.
I can see better in these.
Or. What does that look like? Oh,
They're
Officer
aviators.
Poncherello from
I
Chips.
think these are magnified. My eyeballs hurt. We'll see what other ones they have.
886 Sharp Vision Anti-Reflective Polycarbonate lenses. Isn't everything polycarbonate now? Okay, so which ones are you gonna hold until we find the other ones? Grab them. On to the next place.
They should. Oh, there we go.
Super polarized. Now you're gonna look like a professional hunter.
Damn.
Ready? Get my gun, Billy.
These are way more comfortable than the ones though.
Now, will they fit in your helmet? That seems to be the problem.
I do think. I don't think this will.
Okay. Helmet test. Shoey helmet with aviators. That's not bad. Although,
There's like no wind will get into my face.
well, I think of the wraparound ones.
Actually, I like those other ones.
Which ones?
So
The yellow wraparounds?
no,
Let's go.
yeah.
Let's go get the yellow wraparounds. Forget these orange. Ooh, the orange.
You get orange.
Maybe.
Like,
A little bit of orange is good for everyone. I think that guy. I think that guy is LP. Yeah, because he's walked past us like 2 or 3 times now, looking at us. Is that it?
yeah.
Okay, there you go. Ladybug shades. or Vampira shades. That is the shades he needs.
I would get these if they were like this. I like these.
Time to purchase. People of Walmart. Nah, I got a huge Mountain Dew at home.
Yes.
We got a deal, guys.
Like the whole world
Yeah.
will know my pen.
Everyone, this is his pin. This is his card number. I'm just kidding. I'll blur it. You need a new one. I'm telling you, when you get some from when you go to Small Boy 2 Wheels, like pull 5 out of the bag and put them in your backpack. Yeah.
I'm dirty these things up so bad.
Yeah.
That's why I got 3 from a...
Well, like I have some, but then they get dirty, and then I see someone, and then I give them the one off my key, and then I put a new one on mine. Yeah. Might as well. We're gonna go out through Walmart. I mean, we're gonna go by Whataburger. Or not by, next to it. Oh, my kickstand. I heard it. I can't believe I did that again. All right, guys. We're gonna go in the right lane, and it is about to rain like the dickens on me. And you know how I hate riding in the rain, so we're gonna go ahead and sign off. Today, me and my co-host, oh, he forgot to turn his headlights on. Me and my co-host, Pokedbytoast, your headlights. There you go. And this guy's exaggerated slow turn, which every ruckus rider hates. Ow, this rain is stinging my body. It hurts. Ah, but like seriously, it hurts. Ouch. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and sign off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch more videos this week. This is Pokedbytoast week. It's gonna be hanging out with all of us. We're gonna be riding around, going to Northwest Yosemite Motor Meets, and doing some handiwork in the garage. Anyways, thank you, and I'll see everybody in the next video.